Hi, welcome foodies. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special guest, the child, Grogu. You know what that means. It is Star Wars week. All right. Now Star Wars is celebrated on May 4th. So I thought maybe we can make a very popular cookie, and it's called Wookiee Cookies. All right, let's get out our KitchenAids and let's get started. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna begin with 2 eggs. Then after that, we're gonna add our butter. Then we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. Now get your mixing bowl going. Next we're going to put we're gonna put that in after, but we're gonna put in our sugar. It's gonna be 1 cup each, white and brown. Next, we're gonna lift this up, put our guard on there, and have that going. Next, we'll put this back down, take off that cover thing, and then we're gonna add our flour. That's our flour, baking soda, and our cinnamon. Now the recipe will be in the description below. Now we're gonna put the guard back on. This helps this not to make a mess. All right, next we are going to add our cookies, chocolate chips, I'm sorry. Pull that down. Put that in. Now we're gonna mix for the last time. All right, so now the chocolate chips are good and mixed. Now I used 1 cup of semi-sweet and another cup of milk chocolate. Now we're gonna go to the oven and we're going to scoop our cookie dough. Next, we are going to scoop our chocolate chip cookie dough, our Wookiee Cookies dough, in on the baking sheet. Okay, We'll be back in 10 to 12 minutes and you guys will be able to see the result of the cookies. With Grogu, we're gonna try the chewy cookies. Very good. Now let's have Grogu try it. He likes it too. Thank you for watching. See you next time.